a nest on my deck that we need to get rid of, so let me just show you. There's a nest right here. All hosed off. I just sprayed them with the hose because it's hot. It's like 97 degrees. It's hot. Hey, come here. Come here. Shake. Shake. Toby, shake. I can't see if you can see all the dust that comes off of him or not. Alrighty, hey guys, it's KMCers Whatever. I'm Kirsten and welcome back to another vlog. So today is actually Monday and I did already edit the video for tomorrow. It's already up, but it is evening time and it is supper time and we are going to be making some new recipe we've never tried before. And I'm just gonna take you along with us and let you guys know what we think of this. It's called a Big Mac Smash Taco Burger. So we're gonna try it out and see if it's any good. Okay, starting with the ingredients that we are using is some taco shells, some hamburger meat, which is in our sink right now. We have some pickles. We are using the secret sauce, but you can make Big Mac sauce if you really want. And lettuce and salt and pepper. Cheese. You also need sliced cheese.
Cheesy.
Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, put in the pan.
Steamy.
Okay, this is our first attempt.
A little crispy.
It's a little crispy. Maybe we should trim down the tortilla to the size of the hamburger. Or just like a little bit smaller. Anyways, this is what we got. And now we're gonna add our toppings to it. Let's do that. First, I'm gonna do the secret sauce, aka Big Mac sauce. Right? Does it not? Alright. That's what it's looking like. Looks so good. Alright. We used a cookie cutter to shape it. Maybe it'll work better? Okay, this is our second attempt. This one looks a lot better than that one. Okay, here's our third attempt. I don't know. That red stuff, no. It's still there.
It's a little crispy.
That crunch. Burnt. What? You don't like it?
Burnt.
Oh. Okay, try to get actual good bite.
I'm trying to get there.
Yeah, that's why I tore off my first bite.
That's pretty good.
You like it? Alrighty guys, hey guys, it is actually Tuesday. Just got out of the shower, as you can see. But we're gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna give you a little bit update about last night's supper and some tips that we might change. So starting with, it was really good. The first one was cooked pretty good. There was a little bit of pink still, but of course not that big of a deal. It was still edible. It was like the edible kind of pink, you know. But our second one definitely was raw, so we didn't eat it. I will just say that the second one was even just hard to like eat as a taco. So I suggest the first one, definitely don't cut the tortilla shell like we did with the second one. It just didn't work out like we wanted it to. Another tip that I think we're gonna try next time is, the problem is with the tortilla shell being so big, it would touch the pan and burn. So Chris ate one that is nothing but like burnt tortilla. So my suggestion next time is that we would cook the patty first and then we put the tortilla on top after both sides are cooked. Because we found issues with cooking. The meat was harder You just didn't leave it on long enough and it needed to be a little more crispier, I think. But the tortilla was burning, so that's why we took it off. So our advice next time is we're just gonna cook the burger first and then put the taco tortilla shell on top and then kind of let it crisp up a little, or even just crisp up your taco shells and then put it all together at the end might actually work better than trying to make it all together. But otherwise it was really good if it was actually cooked properly. So I will definitely be eating this recipe again. It was delicious. But yeah, I'm gonna work on true crime today, so that might take a little bit. It looks like I do need to do dishes again because we did have a lot of dishes from last night, and also just didn't get them all loaded because my dishwasher didn't run this weekend. So catching up on dishes. But yeah, other than that, nothing else crazy today.
So I just got home from work. I'm gonna go wash the car, but I just want to show you a really quick little snack that I make, and I don't know if it's really healthy or not, but it's if you like chicken salad. I'm gonna show you how I make it, just really quick and easy, like when I get home from work as a snack. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. First, you get a little canned chicken like this, and you open it like A, and you drain all the water out of it. It's drained, you get a bowl, yay big, and you take chicken, looks like that, dump it in your bowl. And don't get it all over the floor like I just did, because I dumped it all over the floor. Fun stuff. Cooking with McKenna right here, real life. I just make a mess. Okay, so it looks like that in the bowl. You take some pickle relish, dill relish, not sweet. You know, if you're a sweet relish person, that's nasty. Put like a dollop in there. Like yay. Take some mayonnaise. I use Miracle Whip for this. I have Miracle Whip and I have the other one that starts with an H. But everybody knows which one I'm talking about. That's the one I use for ranch and almost everything else. This Miracle Whip you have to use for this. Has to be Miracle Whip. You put that in there like so. Depends on how mayonnaise-y you want. You can put as much in as you want. You put the mayonnaise in, you just like shred/stir it all up. Like everything you put in there, like pickle relish, mayonnaise, all that, is really due to preference of how much you want it to taste like mayonnaise, how much you want it to taste like dilly pickles. Like, it all depends on what you want. You can also do this with tuna. I don't like tuna. Looks like that. I'll show you a close up. Like this. I'll put some pepper in it and some salt. And then if you want, you can add buffalo sauce to it just to make it like a buffalo chicken type thing. And then I just put it on hamburger buns. So yeah, that's just a quick and easy snack. If you don't want to eat it in like a sandwich form, it's really good to like pair it with these chips and dip it and eat it. So yeah, there's my meal. Don't come at me for not using a plate, because I don't want a dirty plate for like nothing. Let's get done washing the side by side and your car in 104 degrees, I think it is today. You lay in your dog's so it's quite a bit later and I'm out looking at the sunset. It's not as pretty as Kenna can capture, but it still is pretty in itself. Chris actually got sent home early today, so due to hot weather, which it was hotter yesterday than it was today, so I don't really understand what that was about, but I'm gonna show you the sunset.
Hey guys, so today is Wednesday and last night we had some severe weather and it wasn't too bad actually, but let me just show you something that happened. Our tree snapped, so this is just hanging down, and the reasoning is because it snapped up there. You can see that? So we gotta take care of this problem. But yeah. So today, I am planning on working on some true crime videos. Because yesterday my plans just kind of went out the door because Chris actually got sent home early. And so he was home all afternoon. So I helped him do his thing. So I didn't get a chance to do mine. So I am actually planning on doing some true crime today. I do think I'm gonna shoot a TikTok maybe. I haven't done one in a couple days. Hey, get over here. Sit. Stay. Playing hide and seek with Dad. Or waiting behind the building. Took off. I don't know where. Find Dad. Gotta use your nose. That's the whole field. See if you can find me. I'm behind a tree. He's got to actually use his nose. He was using his nose a little bit. He was on my trail. Opposite direction. He's smelling now. That's good. He doesn't ever use his nose. He always uses his eyes. Oh, that's not it. Good. He's good. He's using his nose. He's using his nose. Now he's peeing. Oh. You found me! Kaboom! Alright, hey guys, so my neighbor is actually mowing right now, but today is Wednesday and we have some severe weather tonight again, so keep us in your prayers, I guess. But alrighty guys, so it's quite a bit later. I did work on researching 2 more cases, I believe, and making sure that I got everything organized so that way I record the videos pretty soon and then edit them very simply. But I still do need to find some more cases for October specifically. I am struggling on my October game and I need to start prepping because Halloween's gonna be here before you even know it. So I do need to prep those still. Daddy, throw it. She's so cute. Yesterday, that severe weather that was supposed to happen last night did not happen. The atmosphere just didn't let it build up, so it just didn't happen. So that was kind of a good thing. Today is Friday, and my sister-in-law might be having her baby. She called me really early this morning, but it was a complete accident call. And then I think she just texted me saying that baby might be coming today. So I don't really know what's going on with that. So baby might be coming. That's exciting. But tonight, Chris and I actually have a 4th of July celebration, the first one, and it's like the best one to my opinion. So we're definitely gonna go to that tonight, but yeah, I do have maybe a couple bills to pay, but otherwise, I'm not really gonna do much today. I'm gonna just chill.
Long day of mowing, which I don't know if I ever got updated, you guys. We got a new garage. Remember that little white one that used to be right there? Yeah, we got a new one now. We're gonna have an office and a bathroom in there. It's gonna be nice. But anyways, after a long day of mowing, you know what the best feeling is? I only mowed all the front half because my dad mowed the back stuff not that long ago. But mowing since like noon, I think it's like, I don't even know, 4 something. Who knows? I don't really know. But the best thing, I'll show you, is this. Best feeling ever!
Hey guys, so today is currently Sunday, but yesterday we did go to Dugout Days with Kenna, but we didn't film much. I just was spacey yesterday. We also got to meet our niece yesterday. Today is Sunday currently, and we are going to be working on mowing and doing the skirting. Chris is starting on the skirting. Almost, no. Can't move. Hey. Right here. Sure, after I stop recording, does she run into that tree branch back here? Tree branch back here from our tree that fell over from that storm a couple days ago or whatever. We pulled it off and put it in the alley, and Panda just ran right into it to get her ball. So we've just been playing while Dad has been working, and yeah, that's what we've been doing. Chris found that in our yard. No, he dug it up.
Treasure.
Treasures!